Hello, my people. Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Takum Dangobel. I'm here to give you guys, maybe show you guys how I do with trading, how I analyze the market, and what I do before I take a trade. So I just want us to randomly maybe go over my currency pairs that I've placed that I always trade. I have a couple of currency pairs that I've lined up here. The reason for this is because I'm still in the beginner stage. I'm trying to understand the different currency pairs. I'm definitely going to narrow it down to maximum 302. Maximum 302, but so far so good. I see I'm in love with JPP USD and the almighty gold. Those are the two that I really love, and I also have one they call it the Euro USD. I think I'm good. I think I love Euro USD. Um, I actually like the way the it's I think it's correlated with JBP USD. So let me actually show you guys my currency pairs. I have JBP USD. I have JBP CAT, JBP Japanese Yen. So all the major JBP. They have our Go, our Pago. They have USD JPY. They have US 30. Yes, US 30 is most the major 30 companies in the USD against the major 30 companies in US. Then we have US 500. This is a good is it commodity? Yeah, they're commodities. Was it this is I need to find out. Let me check it. So when you want to check if it is a currency or is a commodity or an indices, you come to your file, you go to charts, you see commodities. When you look at commodities, you have metals. So metals is a gold. Metals are gold, silver, and the other ones. Then you have soft, you have energy. Then you have forex, which you see the major, minor, and exotic forex. I trade mostly major. You have indices. Indices now where you have the major spot indices. That's where you'll be having the US 30. So they are indices. So there are indices, the US 500, and you take this three, this three. These are the ones I'm actually I can trade. So I want to choose between these three. I'll maybe finally take the one that actually suit my trading style. So we also have now the Euro USD I was talking about. We have our Euro USD. We have also our Euro CAT. We have also the Australian USD. I think I really don't like this Australian USD for a while now. You see, when you look at it, there's no line, there's no chart. The reason because when I look at the chart, I've tried to um, go behind to see there are a lot of wicks. I don't like when I see a lot of wicks like that. It's dangerous for me to trade a currency pair when I see a lot of wicks, because sometimes your stop loss might be hit when you put stop loss. You cannot control the market, and it's just like it's unstable. So I don't feel comfortable. So basically this is the first one I'm gonna remove from my list of currency. In fact, let me delete it now. I don't like it. I'm not gonna. The only reason why I kept it is because maybe if I want to trade news. So but now I have profiles that I've created. So this one is actually not my news profile. Maybe see, let me check what profile am I actually working with. Profile, this profile, and with Takum and with day trading strategy. So you see my Takum day trading strategy. So I'm not gonna be using this one for my day trading this strategy, but maybe news. But with news, I just have mostly USD and JPY and JPB. That's Great Britain pounds. So I'm gonna delete this one from my profile, then I'm gonna save it back again so that it doesn't appear next time I open my profile. So um bye bye to close Australian USD. I don't think I'm gonna be trading this one. We have USD cat, USD cat too, almost the same thing. So when I look at the candlesticks, I know I'm not comfortable with it. It's just my instinct, guys. I think I don't feel free when I see um the currency or a market with a lot of weeks all over. I don't really like it, but for now, let it be there. For maybe let it be there, but I'll be streamlining it. But why am I even keeping it? Because at the end of the day, I'm still gonna be trading with mostly just one or two currency pairs. So bye bye. I don't want you. Euro USD. Mm-hmm. Um, it's popular, so let me just leave it for now. Um, with time I will decide, but I like to trade it. So this one was another JP USD. We already have this, so no need to keep this. So okay, guys. I think for now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let me save this profile. And let me save this profile again. Save as. I'm gonna maintain my very profile. I'm gonna maintain my Takum Dangobert as Takum day trading strategy. Save. Yes. So okay, guys. Now let's do some analysis. Let's with this currency pairs that have line up like this, that are lined up like this. uh, let's do some analysis. We already have one analysis here, but I don't like the way the thing is very dirty. I was just illustrating to you guys how the market's gonna move. So um let me just leave it like this. Maybe it's okay. So now this one is okay. I already did an analysis on this one with the other video. Let me go to the next currency. We have GBP. That's Great Britain pounds cat. We have G cat. Now I've maybe actually drawn some support and resistance level. When you look at it, I've not done any analysis with maybe psychological levels, but those that is the one I'm actually want to settle in at the end of the day. But because I just want to keep things very simple, so I'm drawing my trend lines, my support and resistance. As you can see, if I really can't identify, I'm gonna change it to line chart. But I already know when I'm seeing looking at the chart, I already know that where to plot my support and resistance. So I've plotted 1 year. This is another one. This is another 1 year. I have to touch this position. Let me activate the line charts object. I'm low on battery, guys, since I'm using my phone. Okay, guys. My studio. I'm actually working on my studio. Very soon it will be ready so that I can be um doing or maybe filming or shooting professional videos. Okay, so this one of but this actually is not really. If I do that, I'm just doing this 1 year because of the recent low. Yeah, um, bounces here, bounces here, bounces here, and yeah, and yeah. So when you look at this on the higher time frame, this is a daily time frame. What can you notice, guy? Who can tell me the direction of the markets? The market is trending in which direction? Of course, it's an upward direction. Look at it, it's going upward. Using my trend line, it's going upward. So I already know I'm in a buy mode. That's what I have in mind. That's whenever I see a trend, I determine my direction. That's the structure. I know that I'm in the buy mode, but we are still at the higher time frame. So this is called a multi time frame analysis. So I'm going to go down a little bit now to H4. Normally I usually do this with the H4, but it's good to see your daily time frame to know the direction of the market. So with my H4, you see it's a typical uptrend. So it has bounced here once. This is the first low, then the high comes, doesn't touch, goes back from another high here, then bounce here again twice, goes up from a triple top, one, two, three, triple top, and it goes down, bounce now the third time, and now it's going up. It's going up, and it has reached the support level, the resistance level again. So at this point, what I'll be expecting is I need to go now to the lower time frame, like the 1 hour time frame, to actually see the behavior of the market, to see the behavior of the market at this level, because it's already at my resistance level. So I'll be waiting to take a trade here. What will I be waiting for? Okay, if I go down to the lower time frame, like the intermediate time frame, 1 hour, to see the behavior of the market. If I go to my 1 hour, okay, let's enlarge it a little bit to see what is going on. Okay, guys, perfect. This is what I wanted to see. If you look at it already, there is a sign that there's a weak rejection here. When you see this, we talk about this. That was a shooting star. This is a shooting star. Yeah, forget about this small week here. I can say it's a shooting star. So when you have a shooting star, then you also have maybe the bearish candle, though there's a wick below here and there's another wick. So I will really confirm that this is about to turn, or the market is maybe trying to maybe exhaust like this and come back here. But this candle here, or if I see a lot of weak rejection, I will know that the market is about to turn. Yeah, definitely the market is about to turn, because let me go down deep again. When you look at this point, you have the first high, you have the higher high. Now this high, this next candle cannot form another higher high which is higher than this one, so it forms a higher low. It forms a higher low. Then let me really show you guys. This now is a price action. It breaks below, then structures are being broken here. Upper structures are being, it closed below and structures are being broken here. Means the lower high, we now have lower low, not lower high. So you see this other candle, if it continues like this, though is is showing bullish, maybe at the end of the day, or maybe the beginning of the market tomorrow, because actually I'm filming at the end of the market, it my closes below this other one, means it's breaking structure. So automatically I know the market is reversing, because it's going to be leaving up weak rejection. But if I have maybe another candle which does not closes below this candle, I'm still just gonna be watching that. Now the market is just maybe breathing or retracing to go up back and maybe really touch the support or the resistance level. But if I have, if this candle closes below this candle again, and form another bearish candle like this, broken structures, definitely I'm gonna take the trade. I know it's reversing, but since, as I said, we are on an upward trend, I don't want to trade against the trend. But if I'm an expert, if I'm used to with the market, I'm just gonna take the trend to trade to know that it's coming to this, it's coming back before going back up. Maybe either it comes back and break here, because the market has actually touches twice when you look at the in a higher time frame. Thrice, I mean to say, the market banks on my trend line thrice. So the fourth time here might be a breakout to this trend line. But when you notice, I am not just maybe proposing where to enter the trade just like that. I do that maybe at the level of the support or the resistance level at my trend line. So that is where I'm entering. So if I want to enter this trade, like I told you guys, I'm waiting for the candlestick pattern. This finish, I'm waiting for this last candlestick, and then I'm gonna make my decision. But upon seeing this weak rejection, and seeing this bearish candle closing below this one, definitely I'm looking for a sell. You might ask me that there was a weak rejection. Yeah, why is it that I did not take a sell? Yeah, of course, because there was another higher high, yeah, but it closes still above, not even below this candle. If it actually closes below this candle, which is which gonna be a bearish, okay, I should be thinking, but you have a bullish shooting star. Now you have a bearish candle closing below this candle, and this reversal trade will be confirmed when this other candle finally breaks and closes below this one. Then definitely it's going down. So guys, so I may be looking to take a trade. I may be looking forward to take a trade like this. So we'll come back and verify if my analysis was right. I may be right, I may be wrong. Then guys, all this while I have been talking without emphasizing on risk management, stop loss. If I'm gonna take a trade here, definitely I'm gonna put my stop loss at the just at this level here. Let me say at this level, a little bit above the wick. So let me see how many pips am I sacrificing. So I'll be sacrificing, if I'm entering the trade, let's say I'll put a sell stop